Hi, this is Shonda with Shonda's Edible Delights. I'm preparing my pickles to make candied pickles. We're sticking sticks in the bottom of our pickles. Make sure they don't come out the top. And we're gonna place them in the freezer so that we can dip them in some candy to make candied pickles. Okay, our pickles are now frozen. I'm going to take a fruit roll up and wrap it around the pickle. What it does, it helps the candy stick better to the pickle. And what I'm just going to do is stretch it just a little so it can go around the pickle. Now, I'm going to take the pickle and just wrap the fruit roll up around it. And just squeeze it on and make sure it touches itself around the pickle. And I'll do another one. Same thing. Take the fruit roll up. And stretch it. And then I'll take the pickle. And remember, these are frozen. And I'll wrap the fruit roll up around the pickle. And then just lay the rest of it, flatten it on the pickle. Okay, my candy mixture is ready. I cooked it to 300 degrees. I used sugar, Karo syrup, and water. And I cooked it to 300 degrees. Now I'm gonna dip my pickle. Yeah, it's hot. You gotta be careful because this candy mixture is really hot. I need something to help pick it up because it's sticking to my pot. But here's my candy pickle. And I'm gonna place it over here on my mat. Now that we have our pickles all nice and candied, we're gonna put a little decorations on them. I have some sprinkles here from Cake Slayers. We're just gonna sprinkle some here. And we're gonna make this pickle a little more sour. We're gonna put some sour attitude here. And I have some candies here, some Airheads, some gummy worms, some Twizzlers, some Sour Patch Kids, and some peppermints. I don't know if you know, but peppermint is a great candy along with combination with pickles. So I like my pickles with peppermints. Shonda's Edible Delights. Thank you for joining us. Candied pickles.